guys, welcome back to my channel, AnjelMae. For today's video, I am going to do this makeup. I want to call it as Pantone Color of the Year 2021. So this is gray eye makeup, and I want to introduce to you also my very first masterpiece, yung aking ginawang diba yun sa last na video ko, sabi ko magtatahi ako ng mga dress na pwede kong i-partner sa aking mga makeup look. So, ito na yun. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, before that, punta muna tayo dun sa aking makeup look. And if you're new here, please do subscribe and click the bell button on to get updated every time I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get into the makeup look. Brow, I'm going to use my sleek medium brown 321. Then next, I'm going to prime my lid. I will be using my BYS All Day Wear Concealer. This palette and use this shade. And then next, I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette, and we'll use this shade here. Next, on the same palette, I'm going to use this black shade here, and I'm just going to pack it on my outer corner. Next, I'm going to use my Bella palette, and I'm going to use this gray silver shade. My L'Oreal Infallible in the shades of 304. For my concealer, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible in the shades of 322. Then, ibibig ko siya. Gagamitin ko to Maybelline Loose Powder Light 01. While baking, maglalagay na ako ng contour. Gamitin ko ang aking Australis Contour Palette. For my under eye, I'm going to use this palette again and use the black shade here. And then next, mascara. For my blush on, I will be using my Revolution Soft Blusher Peach. And then bronzer. Next is highlighter. I'm going to use my Cosmic Lights from Barry M highlighter. And I'm going to use the shade my lipstick, I'm going to use this marble. Basta ito. For my eyelashes, gagamitin ko to Mink Lashes. So yun guys, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please let me know by clicking the like button, subscribe if you want more from my channel, and click the bell button on to get updated every time I upload a new video. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!